Hi everyone. So today we are going to unbox something special. I'm going to show you. I have two boxes here from Apple. You can see. So let's start from this one right away. All right, put this away. Open it in a bit. So let's use my scissor. So I ordered a couple of things from Apple. So we gonna unbox all the things in this box and the other box one by one. So just stay with me and find out what I ordered. Okay, so one is the USB-C charger. Alright, I'll put it here. And there is one Apple Pencil Pro. As you can see, yeah, I ordered one Pencil Pro and I ordered my Apple Pencil. I think it's the USB-C. Yeah, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, Apple Pencil USB-C. I ordered both. I'm gonna do a review and unboxing of both. So there is a iPad Air Smart Foil. So I ordered this for my iPad Air Smart Foil. I'm gonna do unboxing of this as well. Put it here. So as you can see, all the items I have in the other box. So now it's time to unbox this box, which is the main one. So let's start from here. Which is iPad Air. As you can see, it's a beautiful packaging, and it's 128 GB iPad Air 13-inch M2 Wi-Fi plus cellular. So as you can see here, so let's do the unboxing of this one. And there you go. Put this here. Let's find out the accessories comes with it. Here on the side, we have one nice cable which comes with iPhone. I think all the new iPhones as well. So it's nice and smooth, as you can see. Put it back here. Anything else in the box? No, we have nothing else. Just put this on a side. Alright, so that's the main product. I'm gonna unbox this beautiful iPad 13-inch iPad Air. As you can see, is beautiful dark gray color. Comes with the USB-C, all the speaker support here on the side. That's for the pencil to charge. That's the power button up here. And yeah, it's nice and slim, as you can see. Very slick. It's very nice, smooth. One camera here, yeah. So let's turn this on. Let's swipe up. English. I'm living in Ireland, so select that, whichever country you are living in. appearance, whichever you like. You want more zoom in, default. I'll go with medium. Set up without another device. If you have it, so you can select that. Continue. Join your Wi-Fi. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPad, so update later. We'll do it later on. I'll give you a whole for myself. I'll give you a whole review in my next video as well. Okay, Touch ID fingerprints. So there is a Touch ID here, which you can set up there, which I'm not gonna do right now. But there's a one fingerprints over there, and of course they have a Face ID. Set up later. Don't use. So I'll just go with numeric 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So if you moving from old iPad to new one, so then you can select the following option. Otherwise, don't transfer anything. I'm just gonna set up later in settings. Select that and click don't use. Agree. Continue. Enable. Set up later in settings. Skip. Set up later. Set up later. Everything. Set up later. Here you can select auto, or I'll go with light. So we are in now. As you can see, it's so nice and so smooth, so big. Comes with all the apps and basic default, so you can select according to your need. You have to this allow. You have to open Apple TV and then you have to swipe up like you do with your phone and just close all the apps. So that's the one for the iPad. So I'll just do the unboxing of other stuff and show you how it works. So here is the second thing, which is the iPad Air Smart Foil. We're gonna do the unboxing for this one as well. Oh, here you go. It has here. I'm gonna put it here. I ordered the navy one. I think that's their color name, navy one. So as usual, it's nice and smooth. As always, Apple make the accessories and all the items very nice. It comes with magnetic here, whichever you wanna select, like that, and then yeah, it's very nice and nice feel. In the back it has the Apple logo. I don't know if you can see, but I think you can see a bit. It is a very nice Apple logo here embedded in this cover. So let's put this here, install it. So because it has magnetic here, it's gonna stick into this very easily. You have to just put it like that. You can see installed. See, the camera is perfectly fit. So very nice and smooth, nice feel. You can see like that. And if you move it on the back side, just for the stand, you can do like that. Yes, very nice. close it like that. It's done.